I'm kicking it off today. Pandora, down nearly 13%. That is the most in more than 2 months as it forecasts third quarter profit that will miss the estimates. CEO Joe Kenny says the company is investing in new technologies, products, and sales staff to drive continued growth. That means higher cost basis.
And I've got a rebound for you guys. Nasdaq, OMX, those shares are actually up about 1%. Remember, the stock slid the most in more than 4 months yesterday following a trading disruption. CEO Bob Greifeld told Bloomberg TV earlier today the Nasdaq is focusing on improving its defensive driving ability. Defensive driving. He kept hammering home that point.
What else is he going to say?
Number
8, Halliburton up more than 1%. The energy services company plans to buy back 68 million shares for $48.50 apiece. That's about 7% of total outstanding shares. Halliburton says it would spend $3.3 billion on buying back stock.
Expedia jumping 5% after the online travel agency announced a partnership with competitor Travelocity. Keep your friends close and your enemies closer. Expedia support technology platforms for Travelocity's websites in the U.S. and Canada, and Travelocity will get access to Expedia's supply and customer services.
A lot of retail news again today, and number 6 is one of them, and up more than 5% after reporting second quarter net income climbed 16%, bolstered by strong performances from Ann Taylor and Loft Stores. The retailer easily beat Wall Street's profit estimates, but revenue did fall a bit short.
Who?
Ann Taylor.
Oh, okay. Number 5, Gap down a fraction as the retailer raises its earnings per share outlook for the year. The higher guidance falling short of Wall Street estimates. Meanwhile, Gap's new summer lineup helped boost second quarter results and advance its turnaround push.
Well, it's all about back to blue, guys. You know, denim. We're showing colors, but, you know, now it's all about blue.
It also did well with athletic. It's offering more athletic apparel. Apparently that was selling well.
I forecast if they focus too much on back to blue, they won't do very well.
Why is that? Why is that?
Thank you, retail analyst Matthew Miller.
It can't just be all blue, you know? You've got to have some choice. This isn't the Soviet Union.
Hey, skies are blue, but they're not blue anymore, you know? I mean, come on, man. You know, get blue, get happy.
It's all about colors. It's all about colors here.
I'll explain things to you later, Maddie. Okay. Adam.
Yeah, let's do Foot Locker.
Another retailer.
Yeah, Foot Locker. Here's the deal. This stock is down 3% after reporting second quarter profit that missed the estimates. Last month, Foot Locker completed its purchase of privately held German athletic store Runners Point Group. Did I say that with a German accent, Matt?
I like that.
All right, $94 million is what they paid for that. We'll see what it does to sales next quarter.
All right, and Aeropostale continuing the bad trend that we've seen in teen retailers, specifically with the exception of Urban Outfitters. Those shares down 20% after it reported dismal quarterly results, issued a pessimistic outlook. Also, several other teen retailers like Abercrombie & Fitch, American Eagle, they've also reported poor customer traffic and slumping sales.
Number 2, D.R. Horton. The home builder is down 3% after the federal government reported Americans cut back sharply in July on purchase of new homes. That data shows purchases fell the most in more than 3 years, and previous months were revised down as well.
And guys, there is the closing bell. You can hear it ringing on the New York right now. Just 10 seconds left to trade. Quick. Our number 1 stock is, of course, Microsoft, up 7.3% today as CEO Steve Ballmer says he's leaving, and investors are thrilled. This stock has effectively been sideways for years, so Ballmer leaves. Maybe some new blood comes in, shakes it up, and is able to create some new growth at Microsoft. There he is, Mr. Ballmer, finally leaving Microsoft. We should note that stocks now closing not on the highs, but certainly up in spite of all the craziness of the past 48 hours with that Nasdaq crash yesterday and that outage. The Nasdaq finished up 0.5%. You can see it right there. The S&P 500 finished up 0.4.